Welcome to the Bitizen Wallet. This video will show how to use Bitizen Wallet to connect to the web-based DApps. Step 1. Click on the Login or Connect button on the front page of the DApp. In Select a Wallet window, click on Bitizen. The page will show a QR code to log in or connect. If the DApp doesn't have Bitizen button, select Wallet Connect instead. Step 2. Open Bitizen Wallet app in your phone. At the top right corner of the home page, click the Scan button. If your phone does not have Bitizen Wallet installed, you should download and install Bitizen Wallet first. Step 3. Scan the DApp's QR code with your phone's camera, keeping the QR code in the middle of the scanning tool. Step 4. After scanning, you will see the information about the DApp that Bitizen Wallet will be connected with. After you confirm and select a wallet address, click on the Connect button and you will be connected successfully. Now, you will be able to use the DApp's functions and see your personal information. This is the tutorial for connecting Bitizen Wallet to the web-based DApps. Thanks for watching. For more information, please follow Bitizen's official channels.